look. Don't you see this? It's a worm. A worm. Wow. Oh my goodness, it's digging. It's digging already. Whoa, hello, worm. Hello, worm. Wow, I can't wait to see more animals. Yeah. Ah! Oh my god, I see big feet. Come on, you guys. Let's go hide between those rocks. Oh no, coming. How about I can stay here? Good idea. No, Elizabeth, it's not safe. Come on. Woo! Oh no. Hide from there. Hide. Oh, coming, Glinda. Oh no. Oh, big feet are coming. I'm glad we're hiding because I don't like it. Oh God. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I know it seems scary, but... Phew. Okay. Now I don't see any more big feet. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Elizabeth, there's no reason why you should be sleeping. Oh my goodness, she's sleeping. Yeah. Now, can we see more animals again? Sure, as long as there's no big feet. Oh God, seriously, more big feet coming. We have to go this way when there's no big feet. But I like those big feet, seriously. Come on, this way. Yeah, that way. All right, let's go.